Here's a mixed up code problem, and if you're struggling to solve these, so say that you're dragging items over and you make mistakes and you're not quite sure about things. So if I've dragged everything over and check my solution, I'll see that I have lots of errors. So if I check it at least 3 incorrect solutions, then I can use the help button. First time I use the help button, it's going to get rid of any incorrect items and pair them back with the correct, which is a hint to use that. If I still ask for help, it'll start combining blocks. And I can, of course, solve this at any point. Now I can say, okay, define the function. I need to set a count. I need to loop through things. And if it's in vowels, return that. So that looks okay. But I haven't indented correctly. So this will tell you need to indent and move the blocks over. So that has to be inside the for loop. These all have to be inside the function. So you can use the help me button after you've made 3 incorrect attempts, and it will help you get to a correct solution.